Hey, Anukool here from the AI Marketing School, where we make marketing magically profitable. Now, let me ask you this. What would you do if you had $100 to invest? I know it sounds like a tiny amount, but what if I told you it could become $1,000 in just 24 hours? Sounds like magic, right? Well, spoiler alert, it's not. It's smart work over hard work, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. But don't worry, I'm not about to send you off on some crazy money making scheme. These methods are simple, proven, and totally within your reach. So, whether you're just starting or you're a seasoned hustler, keep watching because you're about to discover how to turn digital dimes into real online dollars. Let's dive in. All right, first up, digital products. Yep, you heard me right. If you got a laptop and a little creativity, you don't need much more than $100 to kick things off. You could be selling templates, ebooks, online courses, or even design assets. The beauty of digital products? They're like the gift that keeps on giving. You create it once, and bam, it's out there, earning money 24/7. Check this out. A buddy of mine, just by designing Instagram templates, turned $100 into a weekly income of thousands. All you need is a little investment in editing software or hire someone on Fiverr for a steal, and boom, you're in business. Next up, starting a service-based business. Low risk, high reward. Think about it. People pay big bucks for your time. Wash cars, walk dogs, or offer digital marketing services like I do. If you could provide something that saves people time, you're golden. A friend of mine, Curtis, yes, my son, turned his YouTube strategy skills into a $2,500 per day consulting business. His secret? Find a service that people need and can't easily do themselves. Then scale it with smart systems. No one wants to spend 2 hours cleaning their car when they can pay you $20 and get it done in 30 minutes. Now let's talk reselling, or as I like to call it, flipping for fun and profit. You can flip anything from garage sale items to online auctions. $100 might not sound like much, but it's the perfect amount to hunt for undervalued items that you can sell for a lot more. Think about all those vintage action figures, rare collectibles, or even clothes. People are out there looking to buy them. Quick tip: when hunting for deals, look for mispriced items. A little negotiation goes a long way. Just last week, I flipped some rare model trains I picked up for $100 and sold them for over $1,000 on eBay. Next on the list, creating your own physical products. You'd be surprised how easy it is to turn $100 into something tangible that people want to buy. Whether it's furniture, jewelry, or even custom-made toys, buying materials and creating your own products can bring in big bucks. My buddy used to build custom model cars for $30 a pop, and in one day, he made a couple $100. Now, imagine scaling that to $1,000. Here's the trick. Start small, but make sure you're targeting a market with real demand. Don't just make what you want, make what people are willing to pay for. Build a buzz on social media, promote locally, and watch the orders come in. Okay, let's talk high risk, high reward, crypto, and NFTs. These are the wild cards, but with $100, you could turn your investment into big profits. The crypto market is volatile, meaning you could see returns of over 1,000% if you play it right. But warning, this is risky. Do your research. I personally invest in Bitcoin and Ethereum long term. But if you want that quick $1,000, start with some altcoins. A friend made a $100 investment in Luna and turned it into $1,000 in just days. But be careful. Not every coin is going to the moon. It's a high stakes game, but if you know when to get in and out, you could make some serious digital dollars. To wrap it all up, whether you're creating digital products, flipping items, or diving into the world of crypto, there's always a way to turn a little cash into a lot more. But remember, in digital marketing and business, it's the smartest work that wins, not the hardest. Keep learning, keep earning, and hey, I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, explore more at theimarketingschool.com for all your marketing and money-making strategies. Let's grow together.